All right, y'all. Well, this episode's mainly for my subscribers, but if you happen to stumble upon this video and want to find out what we're doing over here at Novi Outdoors, then stick around and find out, because we're starting right now. Hey, you, this is me, A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors. If you've been sticking around a while, you kind of know what we're doing out here. But I just wanted to make a quick video because I tell you what, I don't find too many content creators out there making really little hip pocket videos where they just kind of chat with their subscribers. So I wanted to do that. So recently we just kind of leveled up and picked up a couple subscribers, and now we're 168. And I wanted to sincerely take a moment and thank those that did subscribe and have been subscribed for a while for doing that, because we enjoy making content for you guys, and we enjoy this little journey that we're on, figuring out some things in the outdoors that, we didn't know before, really. And, we're here because there's a lot of guys out there that, are just getting into the outdoors, whether it be fishing or hunting, and well, they just ain't got too much to work off of. So we're kind of throwing our little growing pains out there for anybody and everybody that's looking to do the same. It's kind of a platform that we can stand on, where we can connect with like-minded novice and beginners out there and share information and knowledge that we come across, or happen to dive into, that we pick up along the way, and we're taking y'all with us. So a couple things that I wanted to share, other than our little boost in subscribers we got, is some of the things we got coming up next. Starting out with this channel, we really started with topics on fishing. We've recently gotten into some more hunting. We did a little small game hunting in the past, but we hooked up with another content creator, Billy, over there at SoFlo Outdoors. He's kind of taken us under his wing and shown us some of the way in duck hunting. So that's a lot of fun if you ain't done that yet. So we're covering content on duck hunting now as well. And like I said, it's really just getting into the great outdoors and kind of exploring our options out there. It's a lot of fun being outside, and there's just a lot of peace that's generated from hunting and fishing alike. So we want to share that with y'all. And a couple things we got coming up. I've been diving into these shorts because it's kind of something that YouTube's promoting a lot more, so I wanted to jump into that game. So if you are or have been a subscriber for a while, don't forget to go on our channel and check out some of those shorts feeds, because we've started doing a little tip topics in there as well, how to rig certain rigs. We've started a little catch log, so we can cover how we're catching fish and when, really. You can kind of just check the date on those and, see what's working, when it's working. And you can try to implement that yourself. Now, they're real quick videos, so it's, easy to kind of consume the content, other than these, longer form videos. And, I'm not even so sure that, many people are going to stick around and watch this whole thing, but that's okay. If you are, I appreciate you. I appreciate you either way, even if you done skipped out on this part. But, we've got a couple videos in the queue that we've recorded and that we're still in the process of editing. We've got a couple activities coming up that we're going to be recording also. So one of which is a fishing derby that we've got our little one in, and we're going to be covering that event. It should be a lot of fun, kind of like our Deerfield Beach Junior Anglers Day. But we did a little practice, caught a monster peacock bass that we're going to be throwing up here shortly. We also went on another duck hunt with SoFlo Outdoors. If you've seen the first duck hunt video, this next one that we're going to be editing and throwing up, we got a lot more on that one. And it was fun to watch. It was fun to be out there. So that'll be great content when we get around to, editing that and throwing that up. Now, I mean, there's a lot of content creators out there that they've got the, the flashy this, that, and the other. But, well, we're beginners all the way around. So kind of jumping into this and on this platform, we're trying to make moves as we go, learn new things along the way, and make things, exciting for y'all. But we're figuring out ourselves as a content creator as well. So, I mean, the fact that you're sticking around to find out means a lot to us. So we appreciate that. We wanted you to know that. And, we hope you, tell all your friends if you want to. If you know somebody out there that is looking to get into fishing or hunting, let them know we exist. I'd like you to leave a comment. Let me know what you think on the videos that we're making, because your engagement helps us, develop more of what we're going to do in the future. So other than that, we're just going to keep chugging along here. I mean, we're going to be here a while. So, I mean, if you're watching, we appreciate that. But I'm over here at my practice pond, which, I record a lot of my shorts at because it's where I can stop before work and wet a line every once in a while. Now, I mean, I've got this little saying that I like, and I use it all the time. You can't catch fish unless you're fishing. So that's kind of how I like to go about it. I like to test a lot of different lures out in this little practice pond because, I've got the time, as short as it might be, before the workday. And I like to throw different lines in the water, or not different lines, but different lures in the water to see what happens. I like experimenting because you ain't going to know it unless you throw it. It's kind of another one I made up and I'm just running along with. But other than that, I'm going to go ahead and wet a line. I appreciate y'all for hanging out with me this morning. I'd like to hear your feedback, whatever that might be, whether it's topics on new videos you want to see, or, what you think about the videos we've already done. Either way, just let me know, and we'll have a little chat and discussion about it. But again, don't forget to check those shorts feeds, because although maybe on the main longer form content videos that we're doing over here, you might miss some of those shorts, because I mean, they're almost up daily that we're doing now. Also, if you ain't found us on the other social media platforms, check us out on Facebook or Instagram. We're on there as well, kind of dabbling in those arenas, trying to figure those things out, because I'll tell you what, we're Novi's all the way around. But we'll get a hang of those things and we'll make it better and better as we go. But I appreciate y'all for hanging out with us. I look forward to what more we're going to do together, because like I said, your feedback matters, and we're going to push this thing forward as quickly and as best as possible, because this is fun. We have a lot of fun doing this stuff. But that being said, I'm A.D. Ross with Novi Outdoors. It's been a pleasure having you today. I hope you stick around for more content coming soon. And take care and God bless, because Novi is out. Take me home, country road, to the place. Oh, hey you, you're still here? Well, I'm going to try a little experiment here, and I want you to be a part of it. Since you done made it to the end of this video, and I mean like after the credits were rolling, if you want to call that credits, I want you to go down in the comment section. I want you to write, "I love waffles." Could you do that for me? Just don't say nothing else. Just, "I love waffles." You do that, and I'll know you made it to this part of the video. And everybody watching, well, when they see the comments, say, "I love waffles," they're going to wonder, why do all these people love waffles? And I think it's going to be hilarious. So join in on that, and let's make that happen. Can you make that happen? Let's make that happen. I'll see you on the flip side.